Hi folks, we want to show you very quickly. I'm not going to show you all the attachments that the Chief steamers come with. It's all pretty standard. There's a picture on our website. Chances are you already know what you're about to get with your Chief steamer as far as attachments. The only thing that we've seen over the years that's a little bit confusing for people is our triangle brush and our floor brush. So there's a little bit of confusion on how to connect this to the end of your gun. With our nozzles, our single hole nozzle and our 3-hole nozzle, these nozzles fit directly into the gun like that and they lock in. There's been a lot of questions over the years and a little bit of confusion when people try and connect their triangle brush direct to the gun. It doesn't work. So what we need is an intermediate, which is our elbow. This comes in the package as well. So your elbow gets put into the gun and locked in place like that. And then our triangle brush goes there. So real quick, I'll show you how to work this. Now that this would be in the gun, we need to get the male part of the elbow into the female part of our triangle brush. There's 3 settings. There's a slide tab on both your triangle brush and your floor brush. And there's a 1, 2, and a 3. To get it in, we want it all the way at the top at number 1. To get it into the triangle brush, there's a notch there and a notch there on your triangle. Line them up with each other, which is about the 3 o'clock position, then rotate back to the front. And then if we move it to the number 3 all the way down, we can rotate it. If we move it to the number 2 in the middle, it locks. To get it out, go back to number 1, rotate it to 3 o'clock, and pull it out, and you can use another attachment. So hopefully that clears up some confusion.